Hi everyone. This is a very simple helper video on how to work with search results in Agent AI. So I have a very kind of simple YouTube search video. It takes as input a prompt and then it passes that on to the YouTube search results. And this could be Google search or YouTube search, it doesn't really matter. Passes that and then the output gets stored here. And the first thing I want to show you is when you do that, what actually the output looks like. And so if I searched for generative AI, and if I just said, show me the output of what the results came back, this is what it looks like. And the reason this is important is because most people are thinking that, you can actually get to these videos directly and somehow it's going to just give you a list of videos and you can find the title of it. But the reality is the output looks something like this. And so what you need to do is add another step to basically go work on those videos. So I'm going to remove this step now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically pass it to GPT-4 or any LLM and basically saying I'm passing you search results from a YouTube search, extract and list out all the videos. What it's going to do, remove all the other noise and just list out all the videos. And that's going to be in out.videos. And then I'm going to show that out. So if I now go run this and I'm going to say generative AI and go, what should happen when this finishes running is that you should basically see a list of videos, and depending on how I prompt it, it could be a list of videos, list of URLs. I'll have to see based on the kind of more generic prompt I gave it what it does. But what it should be able to do is to take whatever the search result was, remove all the other noise that is around it, and just return the results. And we are going to wait. While this is doing this, it is taking some time. Let's see where the debugger is. And it's run the YouTube search. And sorry about this. Oh, there we go. LLM got invoked. And here you go. Here's the list of videos extracted from those results. This is kind of what you were looking for. Uh, Now, if you want to then take this and act on this output, you'll have to store this into some kind of a list variable, loop through the list variable with a for loop, and you can watch my video on for loops, and then go act on them. But hopefully this is useful for those, because I have seen questions where the intuitive assumption is that if I do a search, I'm going to get results that look like this, and I can just go say, give me the title. But it doesn't work like that.